Today we will fix Wi-Fi is not working in Windows 10 laptop. Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. Search for Device Manager in desktop search bar. Select Network Adapter. Choose your adapter from the list. Click on Advanced. Locate preferred band and change the value data to 5 GHz band. Adjust the value of roaming aggressiveness to the lowest setting. Restart your PC to apply the changes. That's it, your Wi-Fi should now be working properly and the option should be visible in your Windows 10 laptop. Thanks for watching, see you next time.